New research has revealed that Homo sapiens, or modern humans, inhabited what is now China approximately 45,000 years ago, much earlier than previously believed. The findings suggest that our species reached the area through a northern route, possibly via Siberia and Mongolia. The study, co-led by Francesco D'Errico from the University of Bordeaux, re-examined the Xiyu archaeological site in northern China, which was originally excavated during the Cultural Revolution in 1963. Xiyu is an open-air site located in a river gully and contains a 30-meter deep deposit of sediment. The original excavators divided the sediment into 4 horizontal layers, with evidence of human occupation found in the second from the bottom layer. Over 15,000 stone artifacts and thousands of animal bones were discovered, including a single piece of hominin skull identified as Homo sapiens by anthropologist Wu Rukong. Some of the artifacts were transferred to the Institute of Vertebrate Paleontology and Paleoanthropology in Beijing, while others were unfortunately lost. D'Errico and his team re-excavated the Xiyu site to determine its age. They used optically stimulated luminescence to date 15 samples of sediment and carbon-dated 10 animal bones and teeth. The hominin layer was found to be approximately 44,600 years old. D'Errico is confident in the identification of the skull as Homo sapiens, given the expertise of the original excavators. Irina Katsanovich from the Institute of Archaeology and Ethnography in Novosibirsk, Russia, who was not involved in the study, agrees that the Xiyu hominins were likely Homo sapiens. The new findings indicate that modern humans arrived in northern China around 45,000 years ago, pushing back the estimated arrival time by about 5,000 years. D'Errico points out that the next oldest Homo sapiens site in China, Tianyuan Cave, is 40,000 years old. While some researchers have suggested an earlier arrival of our species, potentially up to 260,000 years ago, D'Errico explains that much of the evidence for such an early human presence in the region has been subject to criticism. The research suggests that as humans migrated from Africa to Asia, they likely took multiple routes. In addition to exploring the tropical southern regions of Asia, they also ventured further north. Katsanovich mentions evidence of modern human presence in the region, such as the Obyrakmat Grotto in Uzbekistan dating back 48,800 years. It is possible that modern humans reached Xiyu and China through this northern route. As they encountered other hominin species like Neanderthals and Denisovans, interbreeding and cultural exchanges likely occurred. The artifacts found at Xiyu include some resembling tools used by archaic humans, and there is evidence of long-distance exchanges, as 4 pieces of obsidian were traced back to sites 800 to 1,000 kilometers northeast of Xiyu. These findings provide valuable insights into the early movements and presence of modern humans in China. The research suggests a more complex pattern of human migration and interaction with different hominin species than previously thought. Further studies and excavations in the region may shed additional light on the history of our species and its interactions with other hominins.